1, 2, 3. Hi everybody! Today we are going to make a simple recipe with biscuits. It's homemade and with biscuits. Sister, do you want to say what we need for a sweet recipe?
We need milk, sugar,
Butter,
cacao sugar,
cacao powder, cacao powder,
dry yeast, vanilla,
walnuts, and dried grape. Dried grape. And of course we need biscuits. So let's start to crumble the biscuit.
We
crumble it.
Yes.
So then the next step is to put everything in here. So how long do we do it? So now we are gonna put the ingredients in the pan.
I'm gonna make milk.
Isn't it too heavy? You can put the sugar if you want.
Yay!
Sugar. So much milk. We love milk. It's done with milk. And you put the sugar. And now I'm gonna mix it all in. It's delicious. Milk with sugar.
Yes. Sugar.
Now I think we can put the butter in. We're gonna do it together.
Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa. And then we're gonna put it, we're gonna mix. Now it looks so yellowish.
Yes.
That's our color. So now we're gonna put the cacao powder together. 1, 2, 3. So many. Put it all in. Wait. And we're gonna stir it. I did a lot. That smells like cacao powder. It smells like that.
No, that's chocolate.
No, it's that.
It's almost done.
It's not because we didn't even put dried grapes in there.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate pieces. I'm trying to put that in like pieces.
We can do this with.
Oh, that's warm. Wait. Can I put
And I'm gonna make this.
Wait, we're gonna put that on the end. Oh my gosh, that's warm. Oh, now we are gonna wait for it to cool off.
I can't wait to eat it.
Can't wait to eat it. We just started.
I'm so happy.
We have to wait until it's cool.
Mama.
How much does that take? So now we are gonna put the walnut in.
I'm gonna do this.
Together, I said.
Wow.
Okay. Yep.
Mama.
Well, it's full, so be careful.
Whoa.
Ooh, one is stuck there. And now I'm gonna stir it. No, I'm gonna stir it. It's hot. Now we are gonna pour the mix with the biscuit.
Go faster.
Yeah, good. Good. Are those frozen? Woo. That's hot. Good. So now we are gonna serve. So now we are gonna mix all the ingredients with the biscuit. So let's do it very slowly. So this is how the mix looks. And then now we are gonna put the mix in this. So now we are gonna roll the foley around the mix. So now we are gonna roll it around like a candy bar. Pushing it together so it's really thick, and then it's really. So this is how the salami biscuit looks like. So now we are gonna wait overnight. Yum. It's really delicious.
Very delicious.
The walnuts.
Yes.
The one, oh, she's licking that. So now my mom is gonna cut it and we're gonna eat it. So now we're gonna eat it. Very delicious.
Very delicious.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.